Hello, good morning guys. Welcome back to the channel. And if it's your first time, there's a lot more videos to check out, guys, if you're interested. This is my dock tour, May 3rd, 8 a.m. Again, for those that are returning, thank you very much for watching. It helps the channel. I do much appreciate it. Again, this is May 3rd, 8 a.m. 2025. Northern Ontario here. Again, if this is the first time to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click like, hit the yellow bell for future videos notifications. The lake is melting pretty good. I hope you all get out fishing in the next couple of weeks. Definitely melting since yesterday. No snow on the dock either, that's a bonus. Northern Ontario, you never know what kind of weather you're going to get one day to the next. But there you have it, guys. I'll come back tomorrow morning and we'll do it all over again and show you guys my lake. Show you how much it's melted. You guys have a wonderful day. Stay blessed and thank you guys very much. Love y'all. Have a good day.